Hey guys, it's Dina and I'm here doing another video. Today I am going to try out some of the Beauty Bakerie items that I purchased. I am really anxious to try the Cake Mix foundation. Let me look at the baking instructions on the back of the box. On here it says just prep with their oil, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the Morphe M439 brush to apply. First, we're going to use the baking oil. That smells pretty good. And I guess, this is how there's a little pump and you pick up product and disperse product with this button. That's neat. I like this little bottle here. And I use 3 drops. And it's very moisturizing. Wow. I like the way it feels on the skin. It's not oily. That makes sense. It's oil, but it's not oily. So when I ordered this, I did not have any issues. I asked a couple questions via the chat online before I ordered it, and they helped me pick out a shade. And I also looked, they have a chart also that will kind of match some of the foundations that you may currently use, and then it'll give you the number of the foundation that you might be in their shade selection. Now they start from the darkest to lightest, the darkest being I think number 1, and then as you get higher in numbers the lighter you are. What else can I say while I'm waiting for this oil to absorb? Any questions that I had, like I said, they were answered promptly. Even if I sent an email, my email was answered in less than 24 hours. So as far as their customer service, I didn't have an issue or a problem with them. And what else? Oh, I did ask them about the other YouTubers were saying with your first order you got 2 foundations. That was just a promotion that they were doing in the beginning when they launched the Cake Mix foundation. And so if you were in that group of people that ordered earlier, then you got a gift, and that was a shade up or down. So that was a bummer. I was a little sad that I didn't get 2 foundations, but I'm happy I got the product. And I think this is in my skin good enough. And let's see, we're gonna give this, here is the foundation. If you did not watch my unboxing video, it's the foundation, and this is the Cake Mix Demi-Matte foundation. It's vegan, long-lasting, non-carcinogenic formula. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, then sorry. And I have shade number 23, and it's a warm, this is a warm undertone. Let's see, I shook it up, shake it, shake it, shake it, and I'm going to pump. Okay. I'm gonna do 2 pumps. I probably should have done 1 pump because I hear it dries pretty fast. So I'm not going to talk doing this part of it. I'm just going to work on one side and then the other side. And hopefully I can go fast enough so that it does not dry. Oh, let's blend it like a dream. I don't know if that oil helped or not, but this went on. Oh, that went on really good. Oh, this is good. This is good, yes. So this is 2 pumps of the foundation. Should I bring you guys in closer? This is 2 pumps of the foundation on my face, and it looks really good. Wow. I am amazed. Did I yell that out? I'm amazed. We are baking a cake up in here. And so far, it's not underdone and it's not overdone. I like it. I like it a lot. It even covered up my dark. Some darkness under my eyes. Okay then. But yeah, the application was easy. The color match is pretty good. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I feel like if I put another pump on, it wouldn't feel or look cakey. It doesn't look cakey or feel cakey at all right now. Alright, quick drying. So you gotta work fast with it. And so again, I won't be talking. I'm just going to apply this, and let me get myself set up so that I don't have to search. And this color is your Beautiful. Out nicely. It's a little bit lighter than what I'm used to in a concealer. That blended out. So I'm feeling like maybe I need a darker concealer. I don't know. But this is lighter, I think, than what I'm used to. I didn't put a whole lot on there. I still have a little bit of a shadow under here. but I don't want to go full on. And let me see, maybe I can highlight my forehead and nose like I usually do, and just try to work fast before this stuff dries up. I would say it's blending into this foundation really good. I believe you can return the foundation if it's not your shade. I did speak to customer service and they said you could return it, but I believe it's up to them if they reject an item that is returned. That looks good. I'm happy. I'm pleased. I am pleased. Now we're going to go in with the flower. I have a yellow, and I like that this has a little sifter in here. You can't see it because it's so bright, but it has a sifter so that you can close it and not lose your product. Now this is not as powdery as my Makeup Revolution banana powder, although that one is still good though. I like that this is finely milled and powder is not going everywhere. And I like this color. I didn't order the flower in the dark color, and I think I'm gonna order that. So by the time this video goes up, I will have already ordered it before they sell out, because I know the yellow powder was sold out for a while. And the good thing with dark powder is sometimes you can get away with wearing it and get very light coverage. Just setting the rest of the foundation. Okay. And this is my summer shade, so I will have to go a little bit lighter than 23 in the winter. I have to figure out what that color is going to be. I am just going to do the rest of my face and then come back and tell you my thoughts on this foundation and the products that I used from Beauty Bakerie. Alright, I will be back. And I'm back. I did my makeup, got on the phone, and forgot I had to come back and show you guys after I did my makeup. And let me see if I can get in a little bit close. And I did not film this look. I just wanted to, let me zoom back out. I just wanted to talk about the Beauty Bakerie products. So in this video, I did not use all of the products that I purchased from Beauty Bakerie. I have 2 more items that I did not talk about. I will use those in another video. I love this foundation so far. I mean, I can come back in and give you a check-in, but as far as the ease of it going on, the blendability of it, and the feel of it is great. I don't feel like I have anything on my face right now. Before I put the foundation on, I did use their baking oil, which went on smooth. This little thing here is a button that you can disperse the drops out of the dropper. It's a dropper, and I like the dropper. I don't like it when they give you oils and you gotta pour it in your hand. This is a very nice looking bottle. I like the design, I like the colors, I like the gold right there. And it smells great. It's almost got like a lemon scent. I couldn't name the oils that were in here because I just didn't want to mess up the names. But this oil went on smoothly. I didn't feel greasy at all. I let it absorb into my skin, and then I put the foundation on. I pumped 2 pumps onto my Morphe M439 brush. 2 pumps did it for me all over my face. The color is perfect, and again it's 23, which is my summer shade. It blends in really nicely. I didn't bring it down on my neck just to see what it would look like, but this is pretty perfect as far as color right now. After I put on the foundation, I used the Cake Face concealer. This color is Your Beautiful, and I thought it was a bit light for me, but it's actually not. I think it blended out really well. And after I used the concealer, I used the flower setting powder. I actually am going to go on tonight and order the darker color one before they sell out, if they haven't sold out already. But as far as my initial review, my initial wear test, I like it. I don't have anything negative to say about it. Customer service was great. It took a little bit for my products to get here, but I can understand it being a smaller company that you've got to process everything, and Beauty Bakerie is a hot commodity, I assume, because lots of things are sold out on that site. So people are constantly ordering. And it took about maybe 4 days for my order to be processed. And then with the free shipping, they shipped it maybe UPS Ground or UPS SurePost. I can't remember, but my post office delivered it to me. So it took a little bit of time, not too much time, but for me, because I need instant gratification, it took a little bit of time, but in reality, it didn't take that long at all. But yeah, right now I'm satisfied. I'll come back in just a couple of hours. What time is it now? It's 8 o'clock. I'll come back and I will show you what it looks like after I've gone out. I've got to go to the store and do a couple of things. When I come back, I'll show you what it looks like. I will not blot, so I could be an oily mess, or I could look just like I look now. I don't know. Alright guys, I'll check back in shortly. Okay guys, my camera ran out of film, so I am on my iPhone, and so it's a little shaky. This is what I look like. I'm going to take my makeup off right now. I really like the foundation. I don't have anything bad to say about it. I want to take this off so I can eat my food that I want to go and pick up. Alright guys, if you like videos like this, please like and or subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.